This is our DIY Mount Pulag journey. DIY trip can be less hassle than with tours dahil hawak nyo yung oras nyo. So if you're planning to do DIY to Mount Pulag, this video can be your guide. I will show you the time, expenses, requirements, homestay, essentials to bring, and some tips. We leave at Bacoor, Cavite at 11:45 p.m. You just pin this location to the Google Map. Make sure na meron kayong energy kasi malayo ang biyahe. It like 6 to 7 hours. Depends on your speed. For our first stop, we arrive at 6:51 a.m. Sa tapat ng DENR, merong JB Medical Clinic sa second floor yon. And make sure na magpa-medical muna kayo. Then, you can also have breakfast or buy something dito sa baba. And dun sa medical, bibigyan ka nila ng registration form and the medical cost is 150 per head. After the medical, go straight to the DENR. Much better na maaga kayo doon and doon na lang kayo mag-antay dahil per batch ang orientation. And lalagyan ng number yung paper nyo kung pang ilan kayo na waiting. The orientation started at 8:20 a.m. It only lasted for less than an hour. After the orientation, nagbayad na kami dito sa gilid ng office. Medyo madaming fees dito. I-flash ko na lang dito sa screen lahat ng binayaran namin. After nyo sa orientation, itry nyo rin tong taho nila dito na kakaiba. I tried yung ube with coffee and masarap siya. Pwede na din for 50 pesos and masarap din yung coffee na hinalo dito. Next stop is Ranger Station which is 30 to 40 minutes away from DENR. May enjoy mo talaga yung scenery dito kasi super ganda ng view along the way. But make sure na yung dadalhin nyo na sasakyan is malakas ang hata kasi puro patarik ang daan dito. And mostly one way siya. We arrive at the Ranger Station at 10:45 a.m. Dito kami kumuha ng guide which is cost 1,500 per 5 packs. Pero since 4 lang kami, pang 5 pa rin yung binayaran namin since yun yung minimum. And meron ding barangay fee na 60 pesos per head. You can also park your car here kasi meron din namang pay parking. Or pwede rin kayong humanap ng homestay na malapit dito para less hassle na. Yung homestay namin, which is yung Babans Homestay, is nasa bungad na siya. Kaya after namin sa Ranger Station, nag-drive ulit kami pabalik. Pero parang mga 5 minutes away lang naman siya dun. Super sulit din na napili naming homestay dahil sa napakaganda ng view nito. Ito pala yung 3 stories building and sa 3rd floor kami. And maganda yung room na nakuha namin kasi grabe yung view talaga, breathtaking. Paglabas mo dito sa may terrace, grabe, napakaganda ng view na bubungad sa'yo. Kung pwede lang nga magstay dito ng mas mahabang oras, ang sarap sanang tumulala lang dito and mag-coffee.
I think I like when it rains. You told me to go to the light. And what it's like to feel your pain. Now I'm okay if you're alright. I start to wonder why I came. I dreamed of things you said to me.
Dito sa 2nd floor, meron silang cafeteria and then meron din dito piso wifi na magbabayad ka lang ng 50 pesos per 4 hours na yon and bibigyan ka ng code ng Katiwala which is gagamitin mo dun sa piso wifi website para makakonect ka. Sulit din yung 4 hours na wifi dito kasi pwede mong i-stop yung connection mo kapag hindi mo nagagamitin. May maliit din silang honesty store dito na pwede kang bumili ng snacks. May free Only Barako coffee din sila and may free water. May lababo and shared toilet din dito. Maganda and malinis yung CR nila rito. And ang price pala dito sa Babans Homestay is 500 pesos per head per night. And ang checkout time is 2 p.m. After namin mag-rest, nagpunta ulit kami sa Ranger Station to have our dinner. Then after noon, we went back to our homestay to rest. I wake up at 11:30 p.m. and prepare. Here are the essential things na dinala ko. Knee support, water, trail food, tripod, scarf, sunglasses, power bank, emergency blanket, something na ilalagay sa neck, and silicone for my toes para hindi masakit, off lotion, raincoat, sunscreen, tissue, socks, gloves, flashlight, and headlamps. So, nagdala na ako ng extra just in case. And ointment, if ever mahilo or something. Disposable towel, and ito, may compressor socks din ako, and bonnet. And here's my fit check for the hike. Okay na rin yung over-prepared ka talaga eh. We leave the homestay at 12:33 a.m. And we go to the ranger station kung saan minute namin yung guide namin. And we started the hike at 1:03 a.m. And since mahaba na tong video, I'll upload na lang a second part for this DIY Mount Pulag journey.